You know, we can think about 2020 vision, and I think what's more appropriate today, as we enter the 20s, is to think about 2020 voice. I started the Alexa in Canada podcast, and this has taken off, all about consumers and how they can use Alexa and leverage the voice technology. I started my Voice in Canada flash briefing, and I'm very humbled to say that due to the support of the community, it's been the #1 rated flash briefing and news skill in Canada. I started the Briefcast.fm network, which is a network of curated briefcasters or flash briefing speakers who are producing some of the very best flash briefings out there. Flash briefings are an incredible opportunity to get your message out to your niche, to your audience, and you need to take advantage of this. Be willing to experiment. Be willing to be creative.
I'm switching on the massage on the front passenger seat.
You approve?
This, yeah.
Approved.
Mercedes, don't stop.
Canada approved.
Here is the chance to get heard, to put your stake in the ground and become a leader in whatever your niche is. The best time to start is today. Take advantage of this. This is a really, really unique time and opportunity. Take advantage of this prime real estate. Put your stake in the ground. Now is the time in 2020 to establish your brand using these flash briefings.
Hey YouTubers, if you liked what you just saw, then feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't be afraid to speak up.